udon noodles in a hot soup with deep-fried tofu. Material * deep-fried tofu 4 sheets 500 milliliters of broth 3 tablespoons soy sauce 70 grams of sugar. Udon dashi for 2 people 600 milliliters of broth 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce 1 tablespoon mirin 1 teaspoon of sugar 1/3 teaspoon of salt * noodles udon dried noodles 100 grams. Cut the green onion. See the first video. Boil water. Boil in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. Take out. Cool. Squeeze. Add fried tofu. Add soup stock, soy sauce, sugar. Boil. Cover directly with cooking sheet. On medium heat. 15 minutes. Add soup stock, soy sauce, mirin, sugar, salt. See the previous video for how to make soup stock. Boil. Add udon. Keep boiling. (12 minutes). Add udon. Put the sweet and seasoned fried tofu. Put soup stock. Put the green onion. Finished.